Why sponsoring Best4Soil? Best4Soil is a platform with an active community that transfers and exchanges knowledge on soil health with practitioners in whole Europe. The platform stems from a European collaboration project. At the end of the project, in March 2022, more than 5,800 interested persons subscribed to our newsletter, which we still distribute once to twice per year. We use tutorial videos, edited in 22 languages, to spread our information to the practitioners. Our YouTube channel is frequently consulted, and since the end of the project, the number of subscribers more than doubled and reached end of March 2026, more than 7,800 subscribers. Therefore, by becoming sponsor of Best4Soil, you can leverage excellent visibility as an actor supporting soil health in Europe, one of the 5 European missions. Next to the placing your logo on the homepage of the Best4Soil website, you will, depending on the sponsor level, profit from the access to the Best4Soil databases on soil-borne pathogens and nematodes, and the participation at the annual Best4Soil webinar. With your support, we can continue to maintain the Best4Soil website and thereby keep this important source of information on soil health open to all actors involved in soil health in Europe, in first-line practitioners. Thank you in advance for your interest in Best4Soil and hopefully for your sponsorship. Your Best4Soil team.